You like this?
Bouncing on the tree?
Where are you going?
Especially for a peg-legged pirate. I'm a peg-legged pirate. I'm a pirate, and I've got a peg leg. Oh boy. Oh boy. How am I going to get across? Pablo. Oh boy. I don't know about this. Oh. Pablo. Yeah? It's
Joshua.
to get to the other side. And that's where the treasure is. I know you can do it.
Joshua.
Okay. I'll try. I'll go first. It's my